I'm Yoav Suprun, Doctor of Physical Therapy and a faculty member with the McKenzie Institute USA branch. And this is the original McKenzie Cervical roll. This roll promotes a natural sleeping habits whether you sleep on your back or your side. It is recommended for people who have neck pain or stiffness or pain that radiates down into the shoulder or even down your arm. The original McKenzie Cervical roll was developed after decades of research by McKenzie Method founder and physical therapist Robin McKenzie, who has found that the majority of people can treat their own neck. This is how you should use the original McKenzie Cervical roll. Find a pillow that is either goose down or goose alternative. I would not suggest you use a firm or foam pillow. Insert the roll into the pillow cover and push it all the way down so your neck is supported over the roll. And retract your head into the pillow to find a comfortable position for you. If you are a side sleeper, flip onto your side and make sure that the pillow is above your shoulder. Don't have your shoulder on the pillow. Your shoulder should be resting on the mattress, and organize the cushion such that it's supporting your neck while lying in this position for a better night's sleep. Do not use any imitation cervical rolls. There's a reason these are called the original. The original McKenzie Cervical rolls are the only research-backed rolls approved to be used with the McKenzie method and are mentioned in Robin McKenzie's best-selling book, Treat Your Own Neck.